Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. Well, today is bird day. Yay! It is the day I do the Nellie and Ruth bird collage. And I think I need to bring you out some. Oops, not in, out. There. So I love this day. It is fun. So this is my book. I do plan on doing something to the front, but it's not offensive. It's just butterflies, not birds. But these are the ones so far. It's so much fun. And this is last week's. So we're here. But first, I got work to do. I got a little bit of cutting to do. This is what I came up with. Uh-oh, where'd my other piece go? Did it stick to the back of my book? Oh, where'd it just go? What? That's weird. That is really weird. Where did my... I don't understand how this happens to me. But I've got a whole piece missing. I've got a whole piece missing. There it is. It flipped on the floor when I did that. Okay, so I cut this out of a magazine, and I cut this out of a magazine. And this is going to go right here. So I loved this, and I had to find something that would look like, kind of like it was, you know, behind it. I got to cover this up. So this is going to go right here. But first, I want to cut her out. I want to cut this part here. And I'm hoping I can fit him coming out of there. So we shall see what I can do. I'll have to cover up where her head is coming out the side of the door, but that's okay. I don't know why my blade keeps doing that. So I hope that you all are doing well. Oh, it's wanting to tear. And my blade is not dull, but try this blade. This one's working better. I really was having a hard time coming up with an idea this week. I think because I found some awesome pictures of chickens and I want to use those, but I wasn't finding anything to put them on, and it was driving me nuts. So I think that's why I was having so much trouble, because what I was thinking in my mind wasn't working. Okay, well, I kind of tore that. Let me get my little scissors in there. There we go. Okay, so what do I do with my bird? There it is. I'm hoping this little guy. Okay, just like that. It's coming out the door to see who's here. Who has arrived here? So that looks perfect to me. I got a little bit jaggedy right there. I don't know if I can fix that. I think that looks better. I think. I don't know. It tore on me right here with my blade when I was using the other knife. I'm just trying to get it kind of... I think that's better. Okay. So now we'll take him, put him right like that. Okay, so now we can put this down. I think that's the only thing I needed to cut, except I didn't get him down on this side. Leave that back out for a minute. I'm still trying to use this bottle of thick glue. And it makes it kind of hard on these little bitty parts to use, but I think I got it. Okay, so now we're going to put this on here. And I didn't say at the beginning, I just said birthday. This is a challenge at Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube, and you need to use a bird in your collage. That's the one, I guess, rule. I don't know. Wouldn't be a bird collage without a bird. So it's really fun. You can find it, and I'll link it below. And if you have not found her channel, which I imagine you have, but if you haven't, you'll have to go check out her channel. She does an amazing job, as does everybody who's doing this challenge. There are lots of people doing the challenge, and there's some really cool stuff out there. Okay, so we're going to put this right here. And that's pretty easy from here. I'll go ahead and glue this on my page. Yeah, I thought I got this cut straight, and it's, oh, it just didn't come off right there. Okay. If you use a glue like that, you want to make sure you smooth it out when you get it on. Otherwise, you're going to have lumpy bumpies through this thin paper, and you're not going to like how it looks. Needs a little bit of glue over there, I think. Okay, so then I cut out this guy. I don't know what all of them are. I think I have them over here. This one just says eagle. He is going to sit up here like this. He is guarding the tent, or the whatever. Is this a yurt? I don't know what this thing is. It's not a yurt. It's not big enough and round enough. I don't know what it is. I'm trying to figure out. He needs to come down like this so that he's kind of wrapped around. Looks like a perfect place to go create for a weekend. Oops, I think I got him there. It was a little crooked there. Then I have this little lady. She's going to be coming up the steps. She's wanting to come in. Oops. Glue. I was afraid of that. Get something on there. It was kind of stringy. Okay. Then we have this one, and this one's sitting here on the railing. I just realized there's a camera sticking out of this thing right here. I hadn't noticed that. I will be glad when I get through that bottle. Maybe she's wanting her picture taken. You know what? It would be cuter. Can I do it? Can I put her? I can't think. I'll put her looking in that camera. I about missed that opportunity, didn't I? Rub off the glue from where it was on there before I moved it. So she is looking in that camera like, whoa, what's this? Must investigate. Then I have this one. And this one, I think, is going to be sitting right up here on the fence. I thought about having that one on here too, but I think I want it. Maybe it could sit right here. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm going to try to clean this glue a little bit. See if I can get it flowing better. And then I have one more. This one is flying up here in the sky. And that is everything. An easy one this week. Thank you for joining me. You have a blessed day, and something just crashed in my kitchen. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.